Welcome to the Nikhil Show! Oh my god, no one's clapping. What is up with that? Again. No, no, no! Where the feelings go? Okay, can I just remind you? It's the 24th today and I'm working. Show me some love. Welcome to the Nikhil Show! Mga regalo nyo, babawiin ko. Walang niya kayo. Anyway, guys, hey, it's the 24th and obviously I'm working. Inaabangan ko yung aking overtime pay and Christmas bonus pay, okay? Because bilang ako ang inyong Christmas girl dahil kapaskuhan. Yung mga ibang DJ, mga wala ng kwenta. As you can see, base dito sa presence ko ngayon, you can really see kung sino yung DJ na pinaka-important sa mix. Special occasion today is Christmas and I am your DJ. So I'm the most important DJ. You have established that. Anyway, you guys, speaking of Christmas, I have been complaining na hindi ko pa nararamdaman yung Christmas because I have missed out on so many Christmas parties. I was able to attend only half of the mixed Christmas party and missed out on all the drunk people. And it's so sad. But good thing, thanks to technology, na-capture nila ang mga lasing. At bilang yun lang naman ang inaabangan ko timbas ko. So nakita natin, I've seen the mixed staff at their worst. Which is a very good thing. Anyway, speaking of parties, ito na si Miley Cyrus's party in the USA. She comes in at number 10. And celebrating alongside Jesus, no, actually, the birthday of Jesus is tomorrow. But I would like to greet our December 24 birthday celebrants. We have a very good childhood friend of mine, Ricky Martin. Childhood friend of mine, Ricky Martin. And Ryan Seacrest. I have the biggest crush on Ryan Seacrest. Ryan Seacrest, and also the author of the Twilight series, is Stephenie Meyer. Stephenie Meyer. So happy birthday to all of you guys. In the meantime, of course, we're still counting down your top 10 most voted for videos for today, December 24. And coming in at number 9, we have 3. Coming in at number 3. Ginugulo lang kita. We have Britney Spears with 3. Welcome back to the Nikhil Show. Christmas edition. Once again, I would like to remind all of you that I am the most important DJ because I am here Christmas Eve. Love it. Anyway, you guys, speaking of Christmas, we have a very special Christmas gift for you because we will be showing you our year-ender specials. Where You At will be shown tomorrow. The part 1 of that will air tomorrow at 8 p.m. So tomorrow, it's Christmas. So most of you guys are at home, so make sure that you catch that. Mixed News Part 1 on Saturday at 3:30 p.m. MIT 20 on Saturday. Once again, these are the year-ender specials. MIT 20 on Saturday at 7 p.m. Most important and highest rating show on Mix, PMC, Pinoy Mix Countdown, will air on Saturday at 9 p.m. The Mix Hit Chart on Sunday at 9 p.m. Hi to BJ Iya, she's in Australia. Once again, I heard she had trouble getting through immigrations and customs because of her smell. Kasi very thick sila ng sausage. So, it's not something funky. It must have been, I don't know, siguro hindi naligo si BJ Iya. So, medyo na-hold siya sa Australian customs. So, but apparently she got through. So, Merry Christmas to BJ Iya. Mix Mobile Mix on Monday at 9 p.m. Who'd want to watch that? Okay, anyway, so yun ang aming Christmas gift for you guys, the year-ender specials. We will be counting down the top 20 or the top 20, what is 20? 10, top 10. Yan kasi yung nagagawa ng nagtatrabaho. Kung dapat ganyan ang nagagawa ng nagtatrabaho at hindi nagpapahinga na lamang bilang kapaskuhan. Yeah, so yun ang gift namin for you guys. The top 20 or the top 10 videos for the whole year. So that should be very exciting. In the meantime, our next video comes from Super Junior. They were yesterday's number 10, but they are now number 8. So here they are with Blue Tomorrow. Super Junior M coming in at number 8 with Blue Tomorrow, and it has just brought to my attention na marami pa rin chapter ang Super Junior. Okay, apparently merong Super Junior M, Super Junior Happy. Ano yung sabi niya? Naging beto ata yung Happy. Super Junior Happy. Super Junior Paranaque chapter. Super Junior Baseco chapter. So, marami pa ng branches ang Super Junior. So, that's wonderful. Para naman ma-highlight ang lahat sa kanila kasi ang dami-dami nila at lahat sila super cute. So, kailangan mabigyan sila ng chance to shine. Right? Right. Anyway, coming in at number 7, we have Taylor Swift with The Scene.